My eyes were filled with tears when I heard him speak of his daughter. I sent for Minnie immediately from the inner apartment. As she arrived adorned as a bride, the Kabuliwala was surprised to see how much she had changed. So, after listening to the story of the Kabuliwala, the narrator, who was Minnie's father, was really sad and his eyes were filled with tears. So, he immediately called Minnie from the inner apartment, and then Minnie arrived and she was dressed up as a bride, and the Kabuliwala saw her and was really surprised to see that she had changed so much कि वो इतने सालों में इतनी बदल गई. However, he smiled and said, "Little one, are you going to your father-in-law's house?" Minnie understood the meaning of the word father-in-law's house, but she stood still. She had no memory of the Kabuliwala and refused to talk to a stranger. However, he smiled and said, so the Kabuliwala asked a question from Minnie, that is she going to her father-in-law's house? Now Minnie, being a grown-up child, being a grown-up lady, she understood what he wanted to say. Now she understood the meaning of father-in-law's house, but she stood still. लेकिन वो उसने कोई भी रिप्लाई नहीं किया काबुलीवाले के क्वेश्चन पे. She didn't reply because she had no memory of the काबुलीवाला, because उसके दिमाग में कोई भी उसके काबुलीवाले से रिलेटेड कोई भी यादें नहीं थी. इसलिए for her now the काबुलीवाला is a stranger. अब काबुलीवाला मिनी के लिए एक अनजान व्यक्ति है. She had no memory of the काबुलीवाला, कोई भी यादें नहीं थी because इतने साल हो गए तो, and she is all a grown up and बहुत चीज़ें हैं. So after that what did she do? She refused to talk to a stranger. उसने बात करने से ही इनकार कर दिया. I took out a bank note and handed it over to the Kabuliwala. Now the narrator, over here is the narrator, and who is the narrator? Minnie's father. He took out a bank note. अब उसने कुछ जो मिनी के फादर है, he took out some money and give it to Kabuliwala. Go back to your daughter, to your own country. Your happiness will be a blessing for my daughter. Now what is Minnie's father saying to him? He is saying to him that go back to your own country. अपने देश वापस चले जाओ. Go back to your family. Go back to your daughter. Your happiness will be a blessing for my daughter. तुम्हारी खुशी मेरी बेटी के लिए एक blessing रहेगी, एक दुआ रहेगी. अगर तुम खुश रहोगे तो मेरी बेटी भी यहाँ खुश रहेगी. The present proved a little expensive for me, and I had to cut down on the electric lights I had planned for the wedding. However, the mayor thought of a happy reunion between a father and a daughter in some faraway land seemed to brighten the festivities. Now पैसे देने की बात क्या हो गया बेटा? उनका एक बजट था. Some budget was planned कि इस बजट में I will manage the wedding of Minnie. But उस बजट में उसने क्या किया? The narrator gave some money to the Kabuliwala so that he can go back to his country. इससे क्या हो गया? थोड़ी सी खर्चे में दिक्कत आ गई. तो उससे क्या हुआ? कट डाउन करना पड़ा. अपने जो शादी की जो भी कुछ जो अरेंजमेंट्स थी उसमें कट डाउन करना पड़ा. बट हाउएवर द मेयर थॉट ऑफ अ हैप्पी रीयूनियन बिटवीन अ फादर एंड अ डॉटर इन सम फार अवे लैंड सीम टू ब्राइटन दी फेस्टिविटीज. लेकिन इन सब के बाद भी द नरेटर वॉज रियली हैप्पी. ही वॉज सो हैप्पी फ्रॉम द हार्ट दैट ही कुड हेल्प somebody. उसके काबुली वालों को उसने हेल्प की, एंड ही वॉज हैप्पी विद दिस थॉट ओनली कि मेरी वजह से, मेरी हेल्प की वजह से काबुली वाला अपनी बेटी से अपने घर जाके मिल पाएगा. सो जो रीयूनियन मतलब वापस से एक साथ आना. सो एक जो फादर और एक डॉटर का जो रिलेशनशिप होता है वो एक, उसमें वो जब वो अपनी बेटी से इतने सालों के बाद मिलेगा वो अलग ही फीलिंग होगी, एक इमोशनल सीन क्रिएट करेगा. So with this thought only कि काबुलीवाला will meet his daughter in his own country, तो इस thought से the narrator was feeling so happy. So इससे क्या हो गया? जो सेरेमनी चल रही थी, the ceremony that was going on, उसमें क्या हो गया? ब्राइटन हो गई, एक चमक आ गई, एक खुशी आ गई. Okay, so this was the chapter number 3, काबुलीवाला.